Hey there everybody! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find an available.com domain name for your website. So let's get started. For this demonstration I'm going to visit Namecheap.com. Now right here is the domain name search bar. For example, let's say I'm a church and I just want church.com. You can see that it's already taken. Otherwise there would be a price right here and this make offer button would be green and it would say buy now or add to cart. Let's say I live in a city like Mankato, Minnesota, and I was looking for a domain name for my church, and I wanted to title it MankatoChurch.com, and there it is. At the time of me shooting this video, it's available, and I can register it right here, add to cart for $8.88 a year, and you can own this domain. So let's just say I live in Mankato, and right now it's December out, it's freezing, and I own a heating company where I install and repair heaters. And I want a website and call it Mankato Heating. So let's see if it's available right here. Mankato Heating. And it is available. Well, right now it's available while I shoot this video. It may not be available after this video gets released. But I can register MankatoHeating.com right now for $8.88 a year right here. So you can search right here to find out whether or not the domain name you have in mind is available. But let's go another route. Let's say I'm a travel blogger and I travel to many different areas and I want to build a website that has a blog section of all the areas I travel. Okay, so let's go ahead and type in travel blog. Travelblog.com is taken. Now I could sit here and guess at a bunch of domain names, or I can use a free tool that I'll show you right now. It's called leandomainsearch.com. So let's go over there. I'll open another browser. Okay, here we are in Lean Domain Search. What you do here is just type in your keyword. For us right now, it's travel blog. And then you click search. Now this tool will search only available.coms and it will add a word to your keywords. For example, we put in travel blog and it found 4,699 available.com domain names containing the word travel blog. And they're all right here. Every single one of these is an available.com. And over here you have a filter where you can filter out your search results. Right now it's set on all and popularity. But as you see here, they're all different lengths. You could actually filter them out by length. Now the words that they add is the smallest to the biggest. Like here's only 2 letters. As you scroll down, you'll start seeing 3 letters. You'll scroll down, you'll start seeing 4-letter domain names here soon. Here they are. And so on. You can also filter out your results by alphabetical. So the words that they add to travel blog will be in alphabetical order. Now this is great if I want to find all the B's or all the T's to go with travel blog. For example, let me scroll down to the T's, but before we do that, let's filter out that it ends with the search term. Now let's go starts with the search term. So it's travel blog, and then whatever they can give us, we'll go down and look at the T's. Here we go. And here's a good one right here, travel blog time. Now that's got a catchy ring to it. Travelblogtime.com is available. So if you go back to Namecheap, you type in travel blog time, it tells you it's available for $8.88 a year. And you can go ahead and register that domain right now. It's travel blog time. Woohoo! Okay, so I think you get the idea. If you can scroll up and see what else is available. Oh, look at this. Travel Blog Man is available. Travelblogman.com. So if you're one man and you travel all over the world or all over the country and you want to start a blog and call it Travel Blog Man, here you go. It's available. We'll go on back over to Namecheap and try this one. See, it's available, Travel Blog Man, $8.88 a year. Now after this video is published, these may not be available. One of you viewers may go ahead and register these. But it's great for a demonstration to show you how to find an available.com. Alright, so when you find the .com that you want to register, you can go ahead and add it to your cart. It will prompt you to create an account. You can create an account right on Namecheap, and that domain will be registered in your name. So happy hunting, and I will see you in the next video.